Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are looking to grow succulents which is easy to grow in Mumbai, then this is the plant for you. That is the mother of thousands. Its botanical name is Kalanchoe digramontiana. Growing succulent in Mumbai is not that so easy task. But with little care you can grow them easily in Mumbai. But this mother of thousand plant can be grown easily in Mumbai's atmosphere. Now, the speciality of this plant is it produces these plantlets at the edges. Through the edge, it will produce these small plantlets. This is the speciality of this plant. Now, as this winter is going on, the production of this plantlets has reached to its peak. Now, if I'll take you closer to this, the small tiny plantlets also producing plantlets on it. When I brought this plant from the nursery, there were 3 plants I brought, and now there are so many plants I have got because of the propagation of this plant. Propagation of this plant is very easy. I put this plant in my southeast window, which is more towards east side, so it gets morning light, morning sunlight. That is preferable for this plant, morning light, not too much harsh light. If you want to keep this plant outdoors, there has to be shade on this plant. Throughout the year this plant will produce these plantlets, but now as the winter is going on, the production of plantlets is at its peak. Soil required for this plant is the succulent soil, that is a well drained soil, soil with the sand. Do not use clay soil for this plant. Now if we will talk about the watering of this plant, watering requirement is little higher than other succulent plant. My watering schedule is, during winter I water this plant every alternate day, and during other season, means other than winter, twice a week. This is my watering schedule. This plant do not require much fertilizer, but I fertilize this plant twice in a month, as I fertilize all my plants. That is my schedule to provide fertilizer to my plant. So with all other plant I fertilize this plant. I provide the water soluble fertilizer to this plant. Now this plant is now almost 1 year old with me, and I never found any pet or the bug on this plant. This plant is not that so get affected by the pets or bugs. Now when you want to choose the planter for this plant, clay pots or ceramic pots are advisable. Now this is planted, this I have planted in this very small ceramic pot, and is growing out. I need to repot this plant now. Propagation of this plant is very easy. As you can see, these plantlets, they fall on the ground and they produce new plant. Now here also some plantlets are there. there are roots. These plantlets are with the roots, so when they fall on the ground, they can be grown as a separate plant. So guys, if you want to enjoy growth of succulent, their production of its baby plantlets, propagation of succulents, and if you want to understand the soil combination and how to grow succulents, definitely this is very easy plant to grow. I can say it's a succulent plant for the beginners. So definitely if you'll find this plant in the nursery, definitely go for it and enjoy growing the mother of thousands, that is Kalanchoe digramontiana. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.